we can't live our daily lives without compressors. Today we'll introduce you to the major global centrifugal compressor manufacturers. Japan. Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, MHI. Founded 1871, in-house compressor production since 1917, approximately 2,000 units, used in petrochemicals refining. Hitachi, established 1910, made centrifugal compressors since 1911, 700 plus units. Adopted magnetic bearings, 1991. Elliott Ibara, formed 2000, Japan's Ibara acquired US. Elliott, known for welded casings, efficient impellers. US. Ingersoll Rand, founded 1871, Centex series, oil-free, 25 to 850 cubic meters per minute, 12,000 plus global units. Dresser-Rand, focus on oil chemicals, offers centrifugal axial compressors, turbines. Cameron, ex-Cooper Turbo, tilde 45% of global pipeline compressors, strong in natural gas. GE Leader, post 1994, acquired Nuovo Pignone AC compressor, API compliant for petrochemicals. Elliott, founded 1895, 1000 plus units in China, acquired by Ibara 2000. Europe. MAN Turbo, formed 2001, MAN merged Sulzer GHH Bosig, high-pressure, large-flow compressors. Siemens Turbo Machinery, created 2001, acquired Demag Delival, integrates global tech. Atlas Copco, Sweden, founded 1873, makes centrifugal screw compressors. Belgian plant is key. South Korea. Samsung Techwin, Samsung subsidiary S.1977, Turbomaster series 300 plus units in China, energy efficient.